In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reusable custom metric in Looker Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to craft a custom metric that can streamline your data analysis processes and make your reports more insightful and efficient. Let's begin by opening up your Looker Studio report. It's important to have your report ready, since this is where all your data will converge into meaningful insights. Once you've got your report open, make sure you have the edit rights to the data source you plan on using. Editing rights are crucial here, as they allow you to make the necessary changes and additions to the data source without hitting any roadblocks. Next, head over to the Resource menu at the top of the interface. This menu is your gateway to managing your data connections. Here, you will either manage the added data sources or directly edit the data source you are working with. This will be your starting point for creating a custom metric. Once you've navigated to the data source editor, you're going to want to look for the option that says Add a Field, or possibly Plus Add a Field. Clicking this will open the Formula or Calculated Field editor. This is where the magic happens. The Formula editor is the heart of your custom metric creation, allowing you to tailor the data metrics to fit your analytical needs. Now, let's create the metric itself. Start by giving your new metric a descriptive name. For example, you might call it something like Custom Conversion Rate. It's valuable to have a name that clearly describes what the metric will compute, as this makes it easily identifiable later on. With your metric named, you'll need to write the formula that defines it. This formula is typically based on existing metrics or dimensions in your data source. For instance, if you want to calculate a conversion rate, your formula might look something like sum conversions, SUM sessions, depending on your specific requirements. Be sure to double-check the metrics you're using to avoid any errors in calculation. After writing your formula, determining the correct field type is essential. This could be a number, percentage, or whichever type best fits the data output you're expecting. Choosing the right field type ensures that Looker Studio interprets and presents the data accurately in your report. The final step is to save your field. Once saved, this custom metric will not only be ready for immediate use, but will also be available across all the charts and tables in that report, as long as they share the same data source. This means your newly created metric becomes a reusable asset, streamlining your reporting and enhancing your data insights. There you have it. Creating a reusable custom metric in Looker Studio is a great way to customize your data exploration and reporting, making complex analyses simple and accessible. Thanks for joining, and I hope you find this newfound skill useful in your data analysis endeavors.